huwag kang mag-alala, Tore, kasi matagal ko na talaga gusto makabugbog ng unggoy. Kung gusto mo lang talaga ng suntukan, bakit kailangan mo pa mga charity? Why do you need kailangan mo pang gamitin yung nangyayari ngayon na baka dyan sa Metro Manila? If you're really serious about this, kung gusto mo yung charity na yan and you've laid some conditions, then let me lay my own conditions for the event. Kung serious ka talaga, these are my conditions. Pakiusapan mo yung amo mo na presidente and let it come out of his mouth that all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Papalagan ko yung charity mo na yan. Eh, wala problema. If it will answer the issues nitong bansa natin, I can do that.